Hi, my name is Mark Gardner. I'm the Startup and Growth Manager on the Enterprise team. Along with my colleague Roisin, we run various programs to help people start tech businesses in Sunderland. What we're proud of is that we've managed to do 2 Tech Seeds programs, which are 6 weeks programs to help people start up, followed by residential for pitching, which leads it nicely to a new project which I'm looking forward to for the year ahead, which is helping people get investment, and hopefully can help at least half a dozen people do that next year.
My name's Sophie Craggs. I'm the studio manager at Proto in Gateshead. So we've just launched the second round of Immex City, which is funded by Gateshead Council and UK SPF. And what this is about is bringing opportunities, which is going to help companies understand things like 5G, motion capture, giant LED screens and real-time technology. So it's really exciting to be able to bring that to the companies in the North East and help them grow the immersive sector.
Hi, I'm Tracy Edmonston and I'm the Business Startup Specialist on our Digital Business Pipeline. And the one thing I think I'm really proud of this year is the fact that we've engaged with 241 residents, and we're really working hard to try and break down the barriers. And just to dispel the myths of being self-employed and the digital aspects. And this is something that I want to continue in 2024. This is a passion of mine that really I want to get more and more people into self-employment, support them in any way I can, and obviously just get them over the line.